I'm Luann Parker, and today I'm going to share with you a fantastic product called Velvet Touch. What's so great about it is that it adds texture and dimension to all your different projects, and best of all, it's fun to use. Okay, before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. Definitely have my Velvet Touch, and I need to make sure I have glue to apply my Velvet Touch, so I have Stick With Me, which is perfect for this type of project. Next, because my Velvet Touch is black, I'm gonna make sure the surfaces I want to apply my Velvet Touch to have already been painted black. This just helps ensure that my coverage is gonna be solid, dark, and very deep. So that's why I want to make sure we paint it first. Even the inside of your jewelry box drawers, go ahead and paint that existing velvet black. It's okay. Next, we're gonna look at how to actually apply our Velvet Touch. All right, we are ready to apply our Velvet Touch. First thing you have to do is take a paintbrush, dip it into the Stick With Me glue, okay? And then you're going to apply it to the surface where you're ultimately going to sprinkle your Velvet Touch. So I'm going to apply a generous, moderate amount. I'm not going to put it on really, really thick, and I'm not going to put it on really, really thin. So I just want there to be full coverage of the Stick With Me onto my surface. And then we are going to use Velvet Touch to create all the cool texture. And literally what you're going to do is kind of like glitter. You're going to sprinkle it on pretty heavily onto your surface. And once you are done sprinkling it on, you want to tap it down. Tap, tap, tap. So that all of the powder is sinking into that Stick With Me. And then once you're ready, you're going to tap it off. You may need to go back in with a dry brush and just dust away some of the excess around the sides. So now that you're done, you're not quite finished yet. We got to do a little cleanup. Your Stick With Me brush, you absolutely want to make sure you wash it right away. So we're going to go ahead and put that in the water. The next thing is all of this wonderful black powder can be used again. So what we're going to do is transfer it back into the container. And then last but not least, we still need to do a little bit of cleanup on our piece. So we're just going to take our black powder and put it back in. And we can use that again next time. And last but not least, cleaning up our piece. As you can see, there's still a little bit of fibers that are sticking, and all you have to do is just take a really lightly damp wet wipe or cloth, and it'll just grab all of those little fibers. And if for some reason you happen to get a little glue somewhere that you don't expect to have your black Velvet Touch, just wipe it off really quick. And you're good to go. All right, my project is finished, so now all I have to do is let it set and dry. I would say about 2-3 hours for a project like this. If it was the inside of a drawer, I would let it sit overnight and make sure it doesn't get wet. That's how easy it is to use Velvet Touch.